Konnichiwa! In this video I'll show you how to use Wise in Japan. Step 1. Create and verify your Wise account. Sign up at wise.com or on the Wise app. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Complete your identity verification using Japanese or foreign documents. Step 2. Add Japanese bank account. This is optional. Go to Recipients or Bank Accounts, then add your Japanese bank details. Name, bank code, branch, and account number. Step 3. Send money to Japan. Click Send Money, select JPY on your native currency, enter amount, then provide recipient bank or Wise details. Review fees and times. Step 4. Receive money in Japan. Share your Wise bank details or JPY account details with sender abroad. Funds arrive in JPY or can be exchanged to another currency. Step 5. Use Wise debit card if available. Order the Wise debit card from your account. Use it for cashless payments, online shopping, or ATM withdrawals in Japan. Step 6. Manage transfers and support. Track all your transfers from the Wise app. For any issues, contact Japanese customer support via the app or website. Now I have some tips for Wise in Japan. Confirm Japanese bank codes and branch info for JPY transfers. Wise is often cheaper than banks for foreign transfers. Be aware of Wise limits and verification requirements for large transfers. And that's how you use Wise in Japan. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.